Good morning. Happy moving vlog day 2. It is 8:30 in the morning and we get our keys at 9. I got dressed and everything, ready to move. I'll show you guys. It's not really much of a fit, but this is what I'm wearing today. This top is from Urban. Okay, this lighting. And I'm wearing my Lulus. And then NMDs. Gonna put my hair in a clip because it's gonna get sweaty. But I'm gonna start packing everything into the car right now. I also went to go get me Starbucks. I woke up with kind of a headache, so probably like a dreading headache. Yeah, let's get this show on the road, you guys. Like I said, we get our keys at 9, and then we're just gonna start the moving process, I guess. I don't know like how it's gonna be really hard to like try show you guys and tell you guys like the updates and stuff, so I might just do it like when we're like bringing stuff in the apartment and whatever, unpacking maybe. I don't really know what this vlog is gonna entail. I just know that I have to get going soon, so let's go.
Okay, so you've got your 2 bedrooms. You've got last things I want to go over. There's not enough. You guys can just pee on them. Yeah. Okay. There is a phone number for emergency maintenance. So
tell me what you do on a Sunday. I'm tired of all these Friday nights, and if we're through, I'll go my way. I'd like it if you stay a while. Just up in these sheets, the city and fall asleep. I'm just getting started with you. Roll me something sweet, you're dripping all over me. I can't get enough Sunday love, that's all I need.
This is a nice couch.
Very nice.
Okay. Just make sure everything like this is where they'll go, right? Yeah. Get all these hairs out. Ones look good for the girls. Oh yeah. I've been holding this up for a long time.
Oh my god, wait. Okay. Wow. It is so perfect.
Such a good size.
Oh my god, I love it. I love it.
I'm on my way back home because I have to get the remainder of the stuff in the room. I put all my like clothes and like bags of clothes and stuff. I was able to get that in the apartment already, so that's all good. It's actually not as bad of a move as I thought it was gonna be. Our parking spaces are really close to our room, which is really nice. So it's literally like a few feet, and it's better than movers and everything. So the remainder of the stuff is all just like apartment stuff, like decor, furniture, bar stools, everything like that is left in the apartment room. Well, in the room in my house. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do, and then I'm gonna bring it to obviously to the apartment, and then I think we're gonna go get lunch in a bit. It's only 10 o'clock, but it's 10:15, but once we're all done like bringing everything in and stuff, and it'll be time to get some food or something like that, or just to fuel up, you know, for the second half of moving. Time to go say bye to my mom. I'm gonna start crying and get the last of the things. All right, I'm emotional. An emotional wreck, but you know what? It's a stage of life. Everybody does it. See you in a bit.
That's all I need. I can't get enough. That's all I need.
Okay, update number so I just brought in all of the stuff, like our bedding and everything, like more decor, rug. But I have to go home and get my clothes. I have to get bar stools and headboard. So those are like the big items that I'm like, oh, I don't know how I'm gonna fit them, but hopefully this is our last trip. We lay down the rug and everything. I'll show you when we get there, get back to the apartment, but we laid down the rug. It looks so good. Oh my god, I can't wait. Here is what we have in this trip. We have basically all my clothes. We have bar stools, clothes. I have my record player and this ladder. Basically just the clothes trip, honestly. Bobby is coming with his truck right now because we have a headboard too big for my car. I cannot So hopefully he has room to put in his, because I don't know what I'm gonna do. And I also have to carry my Alex drawers from IKEA and stuff. I guess I can come back for another trip for that. But this is the headboard that's gotta go somehow. Let's hope it can fit in Bobby's car. I love how the rug looks so much.
It's like like brings everything together. It's like a perfect size too. Exactly.
Just said bye to my mother. Oh, that was the hardest thing ever. But even though I'm only 10 minutes away, like 10-15 minutes away, I'm literally a mess. I've been a mess all day. And now I've just brought the last of my stuff. I have the IKEA drawers, and then I have my hamper. Oh, it's so sad. It's so depressing growing up. I never wish to grow up. I literally hate it. Alright, heading back to the apartments, and then we have happy hour with a friend at 5, which is kind of a rough time because, first of all, I'm crying and our apartment's just like a mess, but whatever. We're gonna go to happy hour. Holy shit, it's so sad. Never leave home. Hey guys, so it's a little while later. It's 4:30 or something like that. And Key's Nikki. I have been moving the last of my stuff. I have one more trip to make, not home, but like in my car. There's a bunch of like casserole, or like 2 casserole plates that my mom gave us. So yeah, so far it's going pretty good. We have a couch down, obviously, like I showed you. Our room is a disaster, but I'm trying to deal with this. I don't know how I'm gonna start, but I gotta start. We canceled dinner because we're just like, we can't. We literally have so much stuff to do. Yeah, I don't even know where to start. I might put my stuff in these drawers. This is Q's dresser. I wanted to paint it black, but I don't know how I'm gonna feel about this. Like, it's like a dark wood, but I might just change the hardware on it, and I might call it a day. I'm not really sure yet, but I don't even know what is in this vlog. I don't even know if I've talked to you guys really. Our shades are down, that's why it's kind of dark in here. Our shades are. But I think I'm gonna get started somehow. Just to clear out some space, I'm gonna start putting stuff away, like my hats that can go in the closet, so I can build this fucking bed, because Q has work. So I'm gonna build this bed by myself, like an independent woman. Cheers, guys! Fuck, I'm scared. Cheers!
Wine glasses.
I know. I have wine glasses in my house. I forgot to bring them. They're cute. They're like square.
I'm on film.
You're on film. You gotta used to it around here.
Focus.
To you guys in a long time, but I set up my bed. That's what it looks like. I'll do a whole apartment tour, like sharing where everything is from and stuff. But the bed, I built it all by myself, and now I am going in and putting my folds in the dresser. I am gonna change the hardware on this dresser. Just don't really know how to do that. I might go to my car and go get it because I know it's in my car, but we'll see. There's just so much to do, which again will be a whole part of this moving process. So yes, I'm doing foldables. This is our first night in the apartment, and I'm about to go to sleep. It's about like 12 o'clock. It's midnight, and I'm so tired. It's been such a long day, such an emotional roller coaster, but I am so ready to sleep. I love you guys, and I will see you tomorrow for more unpacking.